If you are a cat parent, you're certainly going to love this new upgrade Macbook is coming up with. Hello and welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. A $3 Mac app that hit the App Store this weekend aims to solve a very specific but very common problem: accidental inputs from cats walking, sitting, and sprawling out on keyboards. The app is called Cat's Lock, and it is exactly what it sounds like. It offers a way to quickly lock your keyboard, either with one click from the menu bar or using a keyboard shortcut to block all typing when there's a risk of your cat invading your keyboard. It even has deterrent sounds to choose from, like one that will warn you when a cat has stepped onto the keyboard and the option to record your own. Whether you have a single cat or you're parenting a whole family of cats, we know those paw-ed friends absolutely have no respect for personal space and love to stomp all over the laptop. Cat's Lock is one of those things that feels kind of genius in a very silly way. In stealth mode, Cat's Lock will run without any visual overlay on screen or any noises, so it won't be disruptive if you're watching a video, reading, or in a meeting. And if the screen goes to sleep, it'll auto-unlock. This genius app was created by indie developer Todd Alexander, and it is compatible with devices running macOS 14.0 Sonoma and later. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider. Like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.